Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you an overview of the Gateway Dashboard for OpenClaw. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so this will be a continuation of my video from last week regarding setting up OpenClaw, connecting it to Telegram. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I'll link to that video now, and you can click the link in the description as well. Okay, so in this video we'll be going more into detail on OpenClaw and accessing the backend of OpenClaw through their dashboard menu. Okay, so I'll reopen up Telegram here. And then I'll ask it over here, can you provide the URL for the OpenClaw dashboard? Okay, so now it's going to provide us with the URL here. Awesome, so it's the localhost URL that it provided here. So it might be different depending on your open port. Okay, so I'll just copy this and paste it here in my browser. Okay, awesome. So it opened up the dashboard here to the chat. So let's just go to overview here. Okay, awesome. So we're connected here. And sometimes the dashboard might not be connected right away. So you might need to re-add your gateway token here. So we got that in during the setup process. But if you need to get that again, we can ask our bot. And you go up to the top here, you can see the health check. So that's just a quick glance. Okay, and then we can open up the dashboard here. And then you can see the different channels currently open. So we have Telegram set up and then instances as well. So you can see the different instances. So we have one on localhost as well as on OpenClaw. And then here are the sessions. And then usage, so token usages. And then we can add cron jobs here. Okay, and then this is where you can create your agents as well. So you can configure them here. Just gives you an overview of your current agent. Okay, and then we can go here into skills. So we'll just come back to this after, and this is where we can add functionality to our agent through external apps. Okay, so this is just nodes. And then configs over here. So this is more important if you're looking to add environment variables and say hooks over here and authentication to say Gmail. So you can just look through all these settings. I'm not going to go through all of them here. Okay, and then debug here. So it just gives you a snapshot of any issues and then logs. It just shows you all the activity through your agent. Okay, so that's an overview of the tabs here. Next, let's go into adding some skills. So go here into skills, and then we'll look at built-in skills. So the weather skill is enabled by default and no API key is required. So I'll just disable that here. Okay, and then re-enable that. Okay, so it's re-enabled here. Okay, so let's add this as one of the skills. Oops, so we see over here that we disconnected. So just go here and we're reconnected now. And then I'll go into agent and then here in skills. And then we'll search weather. Okay, and this one's enabled. And again, you can enable and disable it here. And then we'll go back into our chat here, and then we'll use the weather API skill. So let's say, what is the weather this week in Toronto using the weather API? So we're doing the chat directly within the OpenClaw control panel. And then it came out here with the provided weather outlook for Toronto using the Open Metro Daily Forecast API. Okay, and just going over the chat box here, you can select different agents here, as well as refreshing the agent. Okay, and down here at the bottom, if you want to start a new session, you can do that through this button here. And then that would just clear out your previous chat history. And if you go into our terminal UI, we can see that it's synced here as well. So it's saying that a new session has been started, which we did through our OpenClaw Control Dashboard. So we see that it's syncing across all the different instances. So great, so we were able to go over the OpenClaw Gateway Dashboard, which will allow us to see under the hood of our OpenClaw agent and make customizations. So in the next video, I'll work on adding some skills to the agent here. So let me know in the comments below which skill do you want me to install and set up. So in this video, we did just the weather skill, because that one was already installed, but they have these skills here available as well. So you just need to install each skill. So stay tuned for the next video, and then I'll work on adding some of these skills and going through that process with OpenClaw. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to learn more about the Gateway Dashboard for OpenClaw. And thanks for the engagement on the previous video. And if you have any video suggestions that you want me to work on in the future, then you can let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos, and thanks for watching.